Do you like tomatoes? Then you'll be amazed by this easy and delicious recipe. Let's get right into it. I'm using 2 tomatoes and cutting them into thick slices. Using a small glass, remove the core from all the tomato slices, just like this. Now chop all the cores finely. While you're at it, let me know which country you're watching from. I'd love to know how far our videos are reaching. Add the chopped tomato cores to a bowl. 2 tablespoons of green onions. 1 teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of black pepper. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 eggs. Mix well until it's homogeneous. Today's shout out goes to Jack Milks from Nevada, USA. Thank you all for the messages. In a frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add the tomato slices. These tomatoes are a great option for breakfast or dinner, and they taste amazing. Now, fill all the slices with the mixture. Cover the pan and let it cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Now just flip them over. Look how nicely golden they are. To make it even tastier, I'll add shredded mozzarella cheese. I used 5 ounces here. And oregano to taste. Cover the pan again and let it cook for another 10 minutes on low heat. Look how delicious these tomatoes are. Super stuffed with that melting cheese. It's so good. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. See you in our next video. Enjoy!